grade 3 Acharya Shikshamani Vaskula Murakalam. This is Raja Sir from grade 5 Acharya Vaskula Murakalam. Now we are going to play a board game. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. I took a pencil from my box. 5. I have a pen. 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump to 17. Ask. I ask. He asks question. 1. I buy a car. 2. Thank you.